Hey guys, what's going on? Dawan here. We back for a new video. We out here in New York. Got the family out here celebrating. Got the wife's birthday. Got the familia.
Thank you.
All right. We in Times Square. We're heading towards Times Square. I don't really know where we at, but we're gonna get it in though. We're gonna have a good time. Yeah, what she's talking about. Yeah, you know what I mean? We'll get that edited in, you know. We got Google Translate. We'll put that into the video. So, you know, in case all of y'all that don't know what's going on, including myself, we'll get it all worked out. Yeah, but we out here. We about to get it in and go downtown here and have a good time with the family. I wanted to shoot this video. You know, be out here in public area, so you know I'm stepping outside the glass here for y'all guys. So you know, try to get myself better acclimated being behind this camera for y'all. One of the things I want to do is I'm actually participating in a challenge, being outside in public, of course, and trying to get some prizes, man. So you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, I want to win a GoPro so I can give one to my mother and my father, because, you know, they got some things they do at home. Like my mom likes to, you know, do arts and crafts. She likes to do cups and things like that, you know. So I want to get her acclimated being behind the camera, or at least showing what she's doing. And also I have a second camera that I plan on doing some other things within the family also, to get everybody comfortable being behind the camera and stuff and doing things and trying to make this money. Some of the things that I want to earn or want to add on to my collection, you know, with my camera and everything like that, is I want to get a tripod. I don't have one of those. So, excuse me. Telesin products, excuse me. Has lots of accessories to add on to my products and make things better for me. I want to get a light set up, but I definitely need a tripod and a light, and that'll help put me in the right spot. So, you know, everything to help make the work that you're doing out here so people can appreciate it. So we're gonna continue on shooting some more. We ain't done here yet. We gotta be on a tour bus right now. We about to really get it in out here. Gonna take a tour around the Statue of Liberty and everything else. Never did none of this stuff, so you know, we're gonna have some fun out here. Got a state bird walking on the sidewalk. State birds everywhere. Oh man. Looks like we got a serious case of pandemic outbreak over here. Just saw the Grinch. He didn't look happy though. Oh, Bumblebee. Look at that Bumblebee. Finally downtown. Times Square action right now. It's pretty busy out here, man. This is crazy. Just saw Bumblebee and the Grinch and Mickey. Saw Unbelievable too. All the way down to the floor, like, no, that's not all you. What's wrong with you?
Y los nenes, ahora que ellos están experimentando. Esta fue la avenida que nosotros allá, porque allá uno se podía meter a donde está más. Sí, esta avenida no toda.
Oh yeah, Sally is funny.
Yo sé que yo no he venido. Mira.
Say hi to the camera. You say hi? Oh, you gonna be shy for Poppy? Really? You always doing this to me.
It's a new station, Mom. It's a new station.
Said so.
Mom, it's a new station.
I'm still working on her, man. Still working on her.
Hay que pagarle a ellos. Aquí con dinero, mira.
Let me hold one of them, bro. Let me hold one of
Mira
them.
la vaquita, mira la vaquita.
Mira, mira.
Bubba Gump.
Pero yo la cogí una vaquita. Dígame de cosas así, que yo la cojo y después yo la recorto.
Need some scrimp.
A esta avenida acá en Cuerno, no todo el mundo anda. Esta avenida.
Man, at least that person's staying warm in that costume, but I tell you, it's cold out here. I'm up here on the top of this bus. Tripping. Oh, there's another Bumblebee. It's clearly somebody's the fake, I don't know. Pink taco. Ooh, it's cold. Good morning, my neighbors.
O aquí. No, donde cayó mal. Bien, porque estamos aquí. Sí.